Hello everybody, today's video we have given a question. X power 2 minus 1 is equals to open bracket of x minus 1 cross bracket squared. Let's provide the solution. Very quickly, and the first thing here is to copy what we have. We have x squared minus 1 is equals to x minus 1 squared. And when we are going to solve this problem, we have to be careful. One of the methods that we can use is this one, but it cannot give you right solution. For example, here we have x squared minus 1, that is x, of course, squared minus 1, which is equals to x minus 1 squared can be written as x minus 1 times x minus 1. And of course this is quadratic, this is difference of two squares, where we can write this one as x minus 1 and here x plus 1, which equals to x minus 1 and x minus 1 again. And of course here we shall divide x minus 1 and x minus 1, because x minus 1 is common, to get x plus 1, which is equal to x minus 1. By grouping right terms here, shall get x plus 1 minus x minus 1, which is equal to 0. Of course, x plus 1 minus x plus 1 will be 0. And of course here, this and this will be cancelled to get 2, which is not equals to 0. But here we can be careful and try to solve this question nicely, where we have x squared minus 1, which is equal to x minus 1 squared, can be written as, of course, we shall separate this difference of two squares, where we say x minus 1 times x plus 1, which is equal to x minus 1 and x minus 1 again. At this moment here, we have to group right terms at this stage, where we have x minus 1, x plus 1, then minus here x minus 1, x minus 1, which is equal to 0, right? And of course, as we have seen, we have x minus 1, and here we have x minus 1. We shall factorize because x minus 1 is common. X minus 1, open bracket of x plus 1, then minus x minus 1 cross bracket equals to 0. And here I have x minus 1, open bracket of x plus 1 minus x plus 1. This is, and this here, close, which is equal to 0. Of course, here I have x minus 1, open bracket of this and this will be cancelled to get a 2, which is equal to 0, of course, and 2 times x, which will be equal to x, then minus 2, which is equal to 0, and of course 2x will be 2, where x will be 1. And this is only answer that is satisfy the equation we have given. We can check if the answer provided have got it, if it is correct. Here I have to write x squared minus 1, which is equal to x minus 1 squared, and of course here you have 1 squared minus 1, which is equal to 1 minus 1 squared. Of course this is 0, and which is equal to 0, and left hand side equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.